Okay, so today we will see the functions that we can use with the Excels. We have some predefined functions and that we will use in our Excels to find out the sum, to find out the maximum value, to get the average. So we have. So first we will see on the board, then we will go to the Excel and then we will see. So here the first function is that it is the sum function. Sum function. This function value that we have passed to that function. Example, this we have written that, so write fast. Example, suppose we have to add two numbers, add and 14. So how we will write this one? First of all, we have to select any cell. Suppose this is the cells that I have selected. I will click on that cell and then I will type the equal to, because of always keep in your mind in the Excel sheet the formula always start with the equal sign. So we will write here equal sign and then I will write here sum. And if we have a two value, then I will write here first value, comma, second value. And I will press the enter key there. Then it will find out the sum. If you have to add the three value, then you will write here equal to sum 10, 11, 12. Then it may add the three value. Same as it is, if we have a four value, then we will write here equal to sum 10, 11, 12, 14. These are the fixed value that we are passing to that functions. Sometimes we have a value in the cells. Then suppose if this is the Excel sheet and here we have a 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, that is the A, B, C, and D, and we have a 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, and we want to get the sum of this all three into these cells. So what I will do, I will click on these cells and I will write here equal to sum. Which cells I have to use? A1 cell. So I will write A1, comma. Then I have a B2 cell. Then I will write here B2, and then I will write the third cell of the A3. Then I will write the A3, and I will press the enter key. We will get the sum. So come, we will see here. It is hanging today. So here I have opened the Excel sheet. It will take little time. Same as it is like a sum I have used. We have a max, we have a mean, we have a AVG function. So if we want out of these all, how many are the maximum value? Yeah, what are the maximum value between 4, 5 values? So we can use the max. If we want to get the minimum value between 4, then we will use the mean. Like that we have to do. Now look here. I have entered some value here. First of all, I will show here. In that I want to get the sum of 10 plus 11. So sum 10, 11 I have to write. And as I will press the enter key, look here, we are getting the sum. Once again, I will tell you how we will write the formula. I have to click on the cells where we want to write. Suppose I want to write in this cells. So where the plus sign is indicating, I will click on these cells. Then the selections will come here. And then after, I will write on the formula bar equal sign and then sum 20 plus 55. And I will write in the bracket, look here, is equal to some bracket, small bracket, first value is our 20, and comma, we will write the second value is a 55. If we want to write third value, it is a 78. If we want to write the fourth value, comma, fourth value, comma, how much value we want to give, that much value we will write here. And the last, we will close the bracket and we will press the enter key. We will get the sum here. Now, look here. We are going to see if I have written some value in a different cells. Like that, I have written here 12. Here I have written 45. Here I have written. Here I have written 67. And I want to get sum of these all 12, 45. Here also write down 56. I want get sum here. So what I will do, I will click on this cells and write down equal to sum. The address of first cell, it is a A1. Then we have to comma. Look here what we have to do. After writing the sum bracket, what cells you are going to add, that you have to, where there you have to click on that. कहने का मतलब ये जिस सेल को आपको ऐड करना होगा सम करने के लिए आप उस सेल पे क्लिक करेंगे. फर्स्ट हमने क्या किया, आई हैव रिटन हियर, वंस अगेन लुक हियर, इक्वल टू सम, and then I want to use this cells, then I will click on that, address will go there, then comma, I want to use this, then I will click there, then again comma, I want to use this, then again I will click here, then again comma, I want to use this, then again, and the C4 is the last cell, so I will close the bracket and I will press the enter key, it will come there. Now look here, if you will do the changes here, value is 1, 2, 3, and 4. What will be the sum of 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10? Look here, sum came here 10. So this is a getting addition, yeah, getting the sum of individual cells. Now look here. If I have a sum number, like I have written here 10, 11, sorry, 10, 11, 12. So what I will do, I will select these all three and I will drag down, the sequences will come. I want to get sum of all these numbers. So what I will do, I will write here equal to sum and I will click on the first cell and I will drag it down. These all cells I want, it will automatically generate the what? Address, and click here, it will show the sum of all these numbers. Once again, look here how we will use the cell range. Range means we are going to give together as a bunch of values. Bunch of value means we have a many cells that having values, and these all cells we are going to add. So in that we have to use the range method. Range way. What is the range? Range means collection of more than one cells. How we will make it collections? For that, I need to show first Excel sheet here. Please pay attention here, all of you. Look here, we have this Excel sheet. And the column name is the A, B, C, D, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have a value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I want here in this B column to get the sum of all rows. That means this sum of these all numbers will come here. Sum of that all numbers may come there. Sum of these all numbers may come here. Same as it is, sum of these numbers will come there. So here, what will I do? I will write here equal to sum in this cell, not outside of that cell. Where we want the result, there we will click. So I want to get result in this cell. So I will click here and then I will write is equal to sum. What is the starting addresses? A1. What is the last address? C3. And from A1 to C3, I want to get all the values. So first of all, I will write here A1 and then I will use the colon and then I will use here C3. As I will press the enter key, it will show the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 and that is a 3 plus 2, 5 plus 6. Here we will get the 6. Same as it is, you have to do for here also. So we will write here sum. Now the row will change. In which row we are? We are into the, we have to write here C1, A1 to C1. Here we are on the second row, so we will write here A2 to C2. For this one, we will write equal to sum A3 to C3 and then equal to sum A4 to C4. Then we will get the values here on. So we will see on the Excel how we will complete this all. Look here. I told first I will delete this all. I told I have written value 1, 2, 3, and here 4. We have a 5, we have a 6, we have a 7, we have a 8, and we have a 9. Okay, and then I will write here 10, 11, 12. And I want to get some of these all low here. So equal to sum A1 to C1. There is one more thing. If the sequences are sequentially and we want, what I will do, I will copy the formula, the address will automatically change. Look here in this cell, what is the address? A1 to C1. As I will copy into the down, the address will automatically change and the sum will come. Look here. This is called relative addresses. This is called what? Relative addresses. Is it clear? Okay. Now, I want to know out of these all, how many cells have a numeric values? Yeah, how many cells have a values? So what I will do, I want to know here, I will write is equal to count. And I will write from A1 to F7. How many cells having values? 16. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I am writing here also. 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 Look here. But it is still showing only 16. Why? Because I think you have not listened the definition of the count. Once again, I may write there, then I will come to explain you. Look here. Count function. This function is used to count how many cells having numeric values? How many cells having numeric value? Understand? This cells, the count function is used to count how many cells having the numeric values. Come, we will see there once again. I will open the notepad also so I can write the definitions. Here we have a count function. What is the work of count function? This function is used to count how many cells having numeric values. If the cell have other value than numeric, then these functions will not count. Clear? This is a definition of the count functions.